All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're walking through an incredibly structured system today. Welcome to the 7-day first client path. So if you're watching this, it means you've already entered the AI Video Cashout Vault, right? You've likely watched the Start Here video inside Module 1. Well, now this page shows you exactly what to do next. Really, I want you to think of this page as your ultimate action map.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, a quick page overview. Then, we'll explore the 2 paths available to you. After that, messages and buyers. Next, we'll look at what to do after your first client. And finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with modules and closing. Simple enough? Let's go.
Section 1, Page Overview. So this right here is your 7-day action map, featuring 4 main tabs that you can easily navigate right at the top of your screen. Moving right along to Section 2, the 2 paths. This section is all about followers versus no followers. So for example, if you have absolutely 0 followers, don't worry. You're just going to use the direct buyer path. This means you're showing value first by creating custom samples for real businesses. So absolutely no begging and no spamming required, which is great. But on the flip side, if you already have followers, you'll use the audience path. That just means you're going to post samples, let people see your actual work, and follow up with anyone who shows interest. Both of these paths, they absolutely work. The path you choose just depends entirely on where you are right now. So please, don't compare yourself to someone else. Just choose the path that fits you today. Now, as you complete each day, make absolutely sure to mark it as done. This is super important because the page is quite literally built so you move one day at a time. So don't mark a day as complete if you haven't actually done the work. And please, whatever you do, don't skip to day 5 when day 2 isn't even done yet. Small steps are the entire point here, guys. The aim is to build your proof, your confidence, and drive real action. Okay, let's walk through the no followers path first. This is for you if you don't already have an audience, or if you frankly just don't want to wait for people to come to you. Day 1 is surprisingly simple because, believe it or not, you actually aren't making videos today. You're just getting crystal clear on your target, your job, pick one video type and one type of business. Don't try to juggle product videos, avatars, faceless videos, and UGC all at the same time. Just pick one. If you aren't sure, start with product promos. Businesses easily understand them. Then pick one type of business, like say hair sellers, food businesses, or real estate agents. Pick one lane for the week, then head over to Module 2 and set up your free tools. Moving on to day 2, this is where it gets fun. You make your first sample. Now make it feel like it belongs to a real business, but using an actual product photo or brand details. This makes the video feel super specific so a business owner can look at it and say, wow, I want something exactly like this for my brand. Your first video will definitely take a bit longer, and honestly, that's totally normal. Just save it clearly on your phone. Then we hit day 3, which is for making 2 more samples in that exact same category, but for different businesses. So by the end of day 3, you've got this small 3-piece portfolio. You don't need 20 samples, just 3 clean ones to prove you can actually do the work the second a buyer asks. All right, so once your portfolio is ready, day 4 is all about locking in your pricing confidence so you literally don't freeze up when asked. Head over to Module 4, use the pricing calculator, and set your starter, regular, and bulk prices. And hey, it's totally okay if your starter price is slightly lower for your first few clients while you're building up that proof. Next up is day 5. This is preparation day. You aren't sending any messages just yet, you're just using the Message Scripts tab or the full kit in Module 3 to prep. Pick 5 real businesses, write down their name, their platform, and one specific detail about their product. Personalize your script for each one, because specific messages always get way better replies than lazy ones. That leads us right into day 6, your action day. You send your first text messages, but notice the approach here. Text first, video later. If you send the video too early, they might just ignore it. Make them curious enough to actually ask for it. Once they show interest, boom, send the video and track everything in your Notes app. Finally, day 7. This is for follow-up and closing. And listen, following up isn't desperate, it's professional, because people just get busy. Use your scripts, and if they agree to the price, collect a 50% deposit before you even start the work. Now, at the end of day 7, you may or may not have your first client yet, and you know what? That is completely okay. If you haven't gotten replies, please don't panic. Just check your messages, review your business choice, look at your sample, and keep improving.
Now, let's switch gears and look at the path for people who already have followers. Having an audience is a massive advantage, but just posting random AI videos? Not a solid plan. On day 1, pick one video type and make absolutely sure you update your bio to clearly state what you do and who it's for in just a few seconds. Something simple like, I make short AI product videos for online sellers. Then, on days 2 and 3, you're going to make 3 strong samples for real businesses or real product types. Make them something your audience can actually understand and write captions explaining exactly what the video is and how someone can get one. Save all 3 samples. But hold up, don't post them all at once.
Instead, on day 4, post your first sample when your audience is most active, and be sure to properly reply to any comments you get. Have your pricing ready to go so you can respond instantly if someone asks for it. On day 5, post your second sample and take some time to read up on the message scripts for replying to warm leads. These are the people who are already interacting with you, so they're huge. Post your third sample on day 6, and finally, day 7 is where the magic really happens, following up with those who showed interest. Reach out personally to anyone who liked, commented, or sent a DM. Keep it super simple, ask if they're still interested, and if they say yes, collect that deposit. This is exactly how your audience becomes useful by turning passive views into real buyer conversations.
Moving on to Section 3, Messages and Buyers. Let's look at exactly how to start conversations and effectively use your quick scripts.
The absolute most important rule when you're reaching out is this: do not send the video first. Always send text first. Your message should make them curious enough to literally ask for the video. Then and only then do you actually send it. This protects your hard work and makes the whole conversation feel way more natural. And when you're using any script, always change the details. Add their name, their product, their platform, and one very specific thing you noticed about them. Specific wins every time. Generic messages simply get ignored.
Next up is the Find Buyers tab, which shows you exactly where to locate active buyers. Remember, you don't need perfect clients, you just need active businesses. So use what we call the 3-second filter before reaching out. First, ask yourself, did they post in the last 7 days? Second, do they actually sell a product or service? And third, do they use mostly photos or just really weak video? If the answer is yes to these, they might just be a fantastic buyer for you.
Now the page shows several places to look for these buyers, from Instagram and Facebook groups to your WhatsApp status, Google Maps, GG, and TikTok. Just start with the easiest one for you. If you're feeling a bit nervous about reaching out cold, start with your WhatsApp status, because those people already know you. If you want to cast a wider net, use Instagram or Facebook. For local businesses, hit up Google Maps. But hey, don't get stuck spending all day searching, okay? Just pick 5 businesses and make your move.
All right, Section 4, After First Client. Let's talk about how to keep that momentum going once you get a win.
Here's the thing, most people get one payment and completely stop. Don't do that. After delivering your first paid video, you need to do 4 specific things. First, ask for a testimonial. A quick, short voice note or text works perfectly. Second, ask about ongoing work, since a lot of businesses need way more than just one video. Third, ask for a referral, because happy clients usually know other business owners, right? And fourth, post the result, with their permission of course, to build even stronger proof than your initial samples. From there, you just keep building, you try new video types, and you start raising your prices. Getting one client is not the end of the road, it's just the start.
Finally, Section 5, Modules and Closing. Let's talk about using your resources effectively. Remember, this whole 7-day path is your action map, and it's designed to be used alongside your course modules. For instance, you're going to want to lean heavily on Module 2 during your first 3 days for your video workflows and free tools. Then, when you need deeper outreach scripts beyond the quick ones on this page, jump right into Module 3. Use Module 4 when setting your prices with the calculator and for learning how to create samples faster. And finally, Module 5 holds the optional 14-day challenge. You absolutely don't need it to follow this path, but it's sitting right there if you're looking for extra support and some real accountability. So here is the main rule for all of this. Please do not try to do everything at once. Pick one video type, pick one business type, make 3 samples, know your price, use specific messages, track your replies, follow up, and collect a deposit before doing the work. That is the path. If you ever feel confused, just come back to this page, open the right tab, read the very next step, and literally do only that step. The goal this week is not to become perfect. The goal is to move from learning to action. One clean sample, one clear message, one real buyer conversation, because that is exactly how your first client starts. And that leaves us with one provocative question. Are you ready to stop learning and start earning? Thanks so much for watching this explainer.